Right, here I've got some multifunctional cleaning instruments. So here we've got the instrument itself, and also 4 interchangeable heads which could be replaced on this instrument. Also we have a wire, so to charge it using a USB. So this instrument can be used to clean your skin, depends on the problem. It can treat acne or remove a blackhead. So for this we can change the head, right? So we can choose different round or ellipse shaped head. Also to have a cleansing effect you can use this head. Let's try to do it. So we can activate it by pressing the button. So and here you can choose 3 different levels of suction. So for example, if we just doing microdermabrasion, so we can choose the lowest level, because at the moment you can see it's the highest level, so we'll choose the smallest one. So for example, you can see it's really has a good suction effect, right? So I just used it on my hand, but you can use it on your face. So for another problems like removal of blackheads, removing blackheads, we can choose the round-headed head, and we can choose the highest level of suction. So by pressing 2 times. So and then you can use it on your nose, for example, to remove blackheads. So again, the level of suction is really good. You can feel it. Yeah. So again, I can show that LED light shows you the level of suction. So basically you can have a spa treatments at your home or while you're traveling, so it's really nice.